smile.
And straight ahead, please.
Michael, one more look this way.
And Maika, stay with us in the middle right here. That beautiful smile.
And then Maika, eyes this
And
way.
Maika, one back here.
Tyriq,
Right in the middle, guys.
Tyriq, Maika, up here.
Right down the middle. And there you go. And looking right here, chin down, just a touch. Big smile again.
Tyriq, right next to him.
Nice.
And Tyriq.
Tyriq.
And little smile to the left.
Straight ahead, can you look straight ahead?
And right.
I wanted to make sure I approached that with a safe space and holding space for my neighbor.
And Lainey, right down here.
And
Lainey,
straight ahead, please.
Lainey, right here, please.
And eyes right here, please. And then the eyes in the background.
We're so demanding.
And ladies, just turn your bodies. There you go. Gorgeous. Hold that right there.
And ladies together right here, please.
In all four eyes.
And right next to him, straight ahead. Hold that.
And Lauren, little smile right here. There you go. Gorgeous.
And Lauren, right down here.
And Miss Graham.
And then Lauren.
Right here, guys. There you go. Thank you so much.
And Lauren Bradley right here.
Lauren and Bradley, to the right, guys. Lauren, this
Follow this way. And together straight ahead, please. Together in the middle. Bradley,
right here, please. Lainey.
you stay with me one sec.
Rudy, that's my
And then Rudy, right here.
And Zoe, one more over here. And let's get that beautiful smile. Thank you.
Monica, right down here. Right in the middle, Monica. And Hillary, right next to him. Chin down a little bit. Little smile over there. Great.
And right next to him, please. Can I get that smile as well? That was gorgeous. Hold that one sec. And then can I have you lick this? And then can I have you lick it right here? Sorry, and just eyes back for one. Nice smile
And
over here.
Jillian, that smile straight ahead.
And right next to him with that smile here.
Right.
Gorgeous, stay with me one sec.
And right down here. Little smile right there.
And over here for this one.
And Noah right here for me.
And eyes right here. And then Noah at the
Turn this way.
And Colleen straight ahead, please.
Colleen, thank you.
And right in the middle. Right here. And then can I have you look right here, straight ahead.
It's all three eyes.
Everyone straight. Hi.
And we're over here, please.
And one more time as a group right there, guys. Those smiles. Thank you.
Right next to him, please.
I need a little more. Thank you.
Smiles, guys. Thank you so much.
And the whole group in the middle, please. Lainey right here.
I wouldn't call it a twist, just sense of right? It's really hopeful. And love. Were you a fan of the before, or was this?